This semester, I chose to write my white paper about light pollution along the Jersey Shore. I chose to write specifically about the Jersey Shore because it's local to me. I'm from New Jersey and I grew up along the coast, so I have a good understanding of the coastal ecosystem in New Jersey and how there's a lack of ecological balance. So, light pollution is the excessive, misdirected, or obtrusive use of artificial light. And light pollution is not only damaging because it affects how we see the stars, but it also affects the way in which animals and humans respond to natural light. So, for billions of years, life on Earth has all responded to the natural rising and setting of the sun. However, in the most recent 200 years, scientific evidence suggests that the introduction of artificial light by human has had negative impacts on the ecosystem. Artificial light can cause birds to either fly into structures or get distracted from their migration pattern. It can cause sea turtles to crawl away from the water and never reach the ocean. And it can also disrupt the circadian rhythm of different animals that live along the Jersey Shore. When making recommendations for New Jersey's light pollution regulation, one must consider the seasonal and regional differences. New Jersey beaches are open between Memorial and Labor Day. Therefore, light pollution regulations must be flexible enough during the summer season to allow for increased nightlife and seasonal business traffic. In my white paper, I propose that New Jersey should adopt light pollution restrictions that reflect those listed in the Model Lighting Ordinance. The Model Lighting Ordinance suggests lighting restrictions such as covers on streetlights to aim light downwards, as well as implementing different lighting zones that categorize areas on the basis of their ecological sensitivity to light, their average use by humans, and their current average lighting levels. My white paper suggests implementing these lighting zones along the Jersey Shore seasonally to accommodate for summer tourism. Doing so would allow lighting restrictions to be stricter in the winter and more relaxed in the summer. The Model Lighting Ordinance is the basis for both Maryland and New York State light pollution laws. Therefore, I believe it would be successfully implemented in New Jersey. In conclusion, if New Jersey were to adopt stricter light pollution restrictions, such as those reflected in the Model Lighting Ordinance, I believe it would help New Jersey beaches maintain biodiversity and ecological balance.